Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best robotic window cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for advanced AI path planning, powerful suction, or budget-friendly options, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the budget-friendly Minto automatic window cleaning robot. Priced at just $139.99, this model offers a solid set of features for those who want a robotic cleaner without breaking the bank. It features AI 5.0 path planning and advanced edge detection technology, ensuring where windows are left streak-free. The dual water nozzles and microfiber cleaning pads effectively remove dirt, dust, and smudges, making it a reliable option for everyday cleaning tasks. Design-wise, the Minto robot is compact and lightweight, making it easy to handle and store. It includes a remote control, which allows you to switch between 3 automatic cleaning modes or manually control the robot for spot cleaning. Additionally, it boasts a 3,000 pass suction force to securely adhere to windows, and it comes with a triple safety system, including a safety rope and UPS power backup, ensuring peace of mind during operation. While it's a great value, it does lack the premium build quality and advanced features of higher-end models. The 50-milliliter water tank also means you'll need to refill more frequently. Overall, the Minto is best for smaller windows and budget-conscious buyers who want basic functionality. If you're just starting with robotic window cleaners, this is an excellent entry-level choice. Coming in at number 4 is the Ecovacs WinBot Mini Window Cleaning Robot. With a price of $199.99, this compact and slim model is perfect for small windows, framed windows, and even those with handles. Its key highlight is its ultrasonic water spray system, which atomizes water into a fine mist to remove tough stains while using minimal water. This ensures a streak-free finish and makes it gentle on delicate glass surfaces. The WinBot Mini features intelligent path planning powered by WinSlam 3.0, which optimizes cleaning coverage and avoids obstacles with precision. It also includes 3 cleaning modes: quick cleaning, deep cleaning, and spot cleaning, giving you flexibility for different needs. The 9-stage protection system ensures safety during operation, making it a reliable choice for both indoor and outdoor cleaning. However, its smaller size means it might not be the best fit for large windows, and it relies on a corded power source, limiting its range. That said, the compact design allows it to reach areas larger robots might struggle with. It's a great option for apartment dwellers or homeowners with smaller, hard-to-reach windows who want a lightweight and efficient cleaning solution. At number 3, we have the Ecovacs WinBot W1 Pro, priced at $199.99. This model stands out for its innovative dual cross water spray technology, which keeps the cleaning pads perfectly damp and effectively tackles stubborn stains. Its 2,800 PA suction power securely attaches the robot to your windows, freeing you from the hassle of manual cleaning. Plus, its intelligent path planning, powered by WinSlam 3.0, ensures thorough and efficient cleaning in both forward and reverse motions. The W1 Pro is also equipped with edge detection sensors, making it suitable for frameless windows and other challenging surfaces. Its 60-milliliter water reservoir is efficient enough to clean large areas without frequent refilling. Another handy feature is the position memory, which allows the robot to return to its starting point after completing its task. It even includes app control, so you can operate the robot from your smartphone. One downside is its heavier weight compared to the WinBot Mini, which can make it less versatile for smaller windows. Additionally, it's corded, which may limit mobility. However, for its price, the W1 Pro offers a fantastic balance between performance and affordability, making it ideal for medium to large windows in homes or offices. In second place is the AlphaBot window cleaning robot, priced at $178.19. This powerhouse features an incredible 4,500 power suction power, making it one of the strongest robotic window cleaners on the market. Its dual water spray system ensures consistent mopping, making it highly effective at removing stubborn grime and dirt. The 50-milliliter water tank is efficient enough to clean up to 60 square meters without needing a refill, which is a significant convenience for larger windows. The Alphabot robot comes equipped with advanced AI navigation and 3.0 path planning, offering Z mode, N mode, and Z and N combined modes for optimal cleaning coverage. It also has a robust 10-stage protection system, which includes a safety rope capable of supporting up to 160 kilograms and an internal battery backup for added security during power outages. The position memory feature ensures the robot returns to its starting point after cleaning, making it convenient for high-rise or hard-to-reach surfaces. While it's a stellar performer, the Alphabot is slightly bulkier than some of its competitors, and the lack of app control might be a drawback for tech-savvy users. Nonetheless, its exceptional suction power and reliability make it an excellent choice for homeowners with large windows or those living in high-rise buildings. Finally, at the top of our list, we have a Ecovacs WinBot W2 Pro Omni, priced at $474.99. This premium model is packed with cutting-edge features that set it apart from the competition. It boasts dual power modes, battery-powered for up to 110 minutes of cordless cleaning, and plugged-in mode for continuous operation. The multifunctional station not only charges the robot, but also serves as a control panel and portable storage unit, adding unmatched convenience. The triple nozzle water sprayer, combined with an upgraded brushless motor and WinSlam 4.0 intelligent path planning, delivers a 30% boost in cleaning efficiency. Its 12-stage protection system ensures maximum safety, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor cleaning. The intelligent climbing system and advanced edge detection make it perfect for all types of windows, including frameless and floor-to-ceiling designs. While it's the most expensive option on our list, the WinBot W2 Pro Omni offers unparalleled performance, making it a worthwhile investment for homeowners with large glass surfaces or those who prioritize premium features. If you're looking for the ultimate robotic window cleaner, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.